What's up, y'all? So in today's episode, we go out and we camp at Horn Island. Unfortunately, the camping footage is kind of a tad bit ruined. Actually, all the camping footage itself, I had some really good footage. I don't know what happened. Something was covering the screen on the GoPro case with the new case I bought. I didn't remove some sort of inside film, so the whole nighttime footage is just completely blacked out, unfortunately. But the daytime footage is still great, so I got some good spear fishing, and we catch some big old cow nose rays and stuff, and we just go out there and have fun. I have a little bit of spear fishing, but obviously I can, if you like spear fishing, I can do more spear fishing content in the future. Just leave a comment down below. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so one other thing I forgot to mention. We are planning a trip to the Florida Keys, so I am super psyched. We're going to be doing a lot of fishing, a lot of spear fishing. I don't even know. I'm super psyched right now. We're planning out the trip as we go, but I'm hoping also to stop and fish along the way in some places. I'm definitely going to try and make multiple episodes out of the Keys series. I'll be filming it over the course of spring break, so after that I'll try and pump out as many videos as I can. Obviously, fishing is the fun part, editing isn't, and I'm crappy at editing, so hope y'all enjoy. You saw it. The school's over here. Whole school. Reef, we believe, is hooked into a big cow nose ray way out there. There's sharks everywhere. But hey, cow nose are fun. You're good. Big old cow nose. Well, we have to give him a little helpful nudge. There we go. He gone.
Nice catching.
Sweet. Fish on. Sand out y'all's way so y'all can see. Oh! It was either a big red or a black drum, but he wasn't hooked well. Oh, my drag was super tight. Damn. Shoot, Reese got one on. This is my giant, but he got his. What is it?
Like on 5 tons of dragon ring.
What are we working with?
It's fighting like a big ugly.
Alright. Hey, either way.
It's fighting like a small ugly actually.
Eating size?
I don't even know.
It's another cow nose, dude. I swear I'm gonna lose it. Oh, red. Oh.
No,
Oh, that sounded. Well, oh, that's a cow nose over there. Never mind.
what?
Yeah. I'll see what's going on here. I don't know. It's a fish. And I hate to say it, but it feels like a hard hit. What? Said I hate to say it, but it feels like a hard hit. Oh, Ray. Oh, crap.
Oh, I gotta say it. I like it. Oh, you probably know about it a lot of
Yeah. Thank you. Hang on, Reese. All right, go. Oh, this sucks. Yeah.
You can't complain about pets.
That's true, they give you a heck of a fight. On this setup though, I'm afraid I'm gonna get spooled.
Dude, watch your auto is like way lighter than
That's true. No way. Y'all, we thought Reef was hung. He got wrapped around my line got wrapped around his rod. But he was not. Oh, it's a cow nose? Oh. No, I don't think that's catfish. That ain't no cat. That ain't no cat. Ain't no cat, it's a shard, boy. No, that's a ray. That's a ray. Oh, I didn't get a good look at the fin. I just saw it cut the surface. Oh. Well, shark on. Should I go reel this in? Or which way is he going?
Yeah, really.
Okay. Yeah. It's a big shark, if so. Okay. Looks like a raised fin to me, but I don't know. It's a ray. Pretty big cow nose though.
Dude, that thing made a huge run. How big are the eggs?
He's pretty big.
Caught.
Well, I can't really tell right now. Probably about the, let's see.
I'm not complaining about this one.
Yeah, well, those rays are fun, yeah.
Fight like sharks.
Yeah.
I don't know, but yeah, I don't think it's that.
He's about the same size as the last one.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we're out here actually just sight fishing for cow nose rays just because they fight so hard just for the heck of it. Actually, speaking of which, here too. Uh-oh. Well, I think I'm speaking. Hang on. Let's see here. I don't know how well y'all can see them, but they're out there. Ah, heck yeah. It's on. Got one. It's the most fun you'll ever have catching a fish right here. Just come out here at Horn, sight fish for these cow nose. Oh my gosh. I don't know about eating them, but catch and release sure is fun with these guys. They are drag peelers. If you're looking for a fight, this is it. I know some people do eat them, like that Lou Gabe on YouTube. He did a catch, clean, cook on one of them. Looked all right. Holy crap. I think a shark was cut out after it. That was sick. I saw a fin break the surface after it. It's being chased or something? That was sick. Oh no, it was just a second ray. It spooked, it swam by it. Okay. Makes more sense. So these guys are not like normal stingrays. They got these big wings. These big wings, I mean, Lord have mercy. And they like to travel a lot. They move fast. It's probably gonna be a little one right here. He's not fighting super hard. Yep, little guy. I don't know, I have to do a catch, clean, cook on him one of these days. Alright, gonna unhook this guy. Little one right here, y'all. Probably about 15 pounds. Alright, shut up. They do still have a barb like normal stingrays, but it's super short compared to normal rays. There he goes. Hang on. So I come back from fishing. Any bites? No? Okay. Dang. What time's your dad supposed to show up?
That's like 2:30.
Okay. I may head back and cook some lunch here soon. Huh? So I may head back and cook some sheephead here soon for lunch. Alright, y'all. So, obviously, me and Reef are both pretty much exhausted by the end of the video. We had a great time, though, camping out at Horn. Caught some massive rays, speared a few good sheephead, and we just had a good time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and again, if you want more spearfishing content, leave a comment down below. I will definitely do that. Also, if you weren't a fan of us fishing for cow-nose rays, I'll stop those sort of videos. That was just me putting together what I had, because I lost a lot of nighttime footage where I had some decent footage, but I mean, oh well. I hope y'all enjoy.